Alright, here we go. This is the corner lot. There's the house. Give you a good idea here. Nice looking grass. Here we walk in. Nice big living room. That's the wall I would take out to open up the kitchen. Here's the pool. Here's the kitchen. So I would take out this wall here and put some more cabinets under that window there. Possibly even get rid of those. But it would not be that expensive once you got that wall taken out. Master bedroom. Good size room. Nice view. Double sinks. Carpet. Strange. Bathtub. Closet. Okay, on to, there's laundry again. Hallway bathroom. Second bedroom. Talking about, not a big deal. Audio, video, wires. Alright, back down the hallway. Living room again. Nice vaulted ceilings. More audio, video stuff. This would be your dining area if you chose. You've got, this is the extra room. This is the office space with a door to the backyard. And then as you're walking in, the third bedroom. Okay. Give you a good idea. Let's go outside now. There's the kitchen again. Okay. Garage. We're going to go upstairs first. Good idea of the backyard. And this huge room. With even more storage. Once you get up, you could even make another room up here if you wanted. Alright. Back outside. It's your grassy area. Oh. Oops. I gotta grab the key. I asked them to replace this window for you. It's broken. And then they did like some painting and stuff on cars, it looks like, but big old garage, downstairs. Garage door openers on both sides. Plenty of space. Nice workshop area.